Oh!
It's Jackie's turn.
Look at his face. There you go. Eat. Bounce it to her. There you go. There you go. Good job.
Oh, look. Mommy's turn. I said it's mommy. Oh my God, we get two turns. Mommy, you got 2 turns and I get 2 turns.
Nope.
Get another turn.
Oh, no. Get it out here. Get it. Get it. Nice catch.
It's your turn again.
Oh.
And Jackie,
Oh.
because of Jackie,
Oh,
she
there
went
is
2
like
turns.
I wasn't sure what was going to happen there.
Now it's my turn to get 2 turns.
Okay, go ahead. Come on. What do you got there, buddy? That's smart idea. Go ahead. Up. Remember, up.
No, it's my turn again.
I know. I'm trying to help you get the ball so it doesn't run away from you. Up. Up. Not out. Up. You want to go up. That's better.
Jackie's turn. You get 2 turns, Jackie.
Oh.
He's actually pretty brave to
Yeah.
do that. Like, the ball went that high over my head, I wouldn't have do that.
I'll get it down.
You're awesome. Oh, good catch.
Is that poison ivy? No.
Crazy bug. Sorry,
There's no poison ivy over there, right?
Not right where I was, but nothing there isn't any.
That was scary, right?